So guys, now we're in Zayed International Airport. We're going to the transfer service, as you can see. Uh, yeah, it's a pretty huge airport. I didn't expect it to be this big. The walk was pretty long. I mean, when you have Hamad, you think it will be an easy walk, but at least they have free taxis. As you can see, this is the service, transfer service. From here, you know, you'll try to. I'll give you some hints. I'll give you hints about the mystery flight. It's in Southeast Asia, a very famous, one of the most visited countries in the world. So that's one of my hints, and keep guessing until you get it right and tell me in the comments. So guys, after going out, the checking and security, this is the result. Lots of crowdedness, and I mean the wait is worth it, as it just reminds me of Qatar Mall, especially the stage and the greenery here. As you can see, it's a huge airport, so many shopping areas. It's a very huge, I would say you could have malls. Even there's a Gucci shop here, Hermes. My god, there are like so many options. Chanel, and you got the restaurants. There's a food court, and let's just go down. The escalators here are very fast. I don't know why, but it is, I would say, good, because if you want to hurry, the escalator just takes you down very fast. Guys, now I'm down the escalators, and let me just show you how it looks like here. It's just a wonderland. I don't know where to go, how to go, and there's just so many luxury brands. There is a food court here, you guys saw it, and overall lots of shops, man. Another hint about that country is it just has beautiful beaches and island beaches. So that's another hint about that country. So hope you guess it and tell me in the comments. There are hotels and lounges just like Hamad International. Lots of, I would say, informative places as well. Find a place. I guess place. Sorry, I don't know what is this supposed to mean. Never seen this in Qatar. It just reminds me something in Expo, I guess. I guess it will tell you how fast you are. So I'm gonna look for some places that look interesting, and I came here in Etihad Airways, for those who are wondering. There are lots of boards that actually help a lot. The roof is also pretty cool. Let's say lots of sunlight. It's very high, and the roof looks extremely unique in a way. I've gone here like few years ago, so I don't remember that much, but I have a slight memory of this place. And you guys saw the Ferrari World. It's coasters and track while flying. I wish I would go there, but it's just the layover isn't that long, and I have 1 hour remaining. And yeah, overall it's a pretty cool airport, and Gucci shops and extremely luxury, I would say, stores, and the food court up there. I'm wondering the prices, because everyone complains that airport prices are high, but let me check it out. So let's just head up and check how many restaurants there are here. I don't know these restaurants, but let's just check them out. Escalator. Yeah, it's pretty high up. This restaurant, the food court, has many restaurants, as you can see. Texas Chicken, Burger King. What else? I guess it's a pretty, not very widespread, but you have some good places to eat at. Food Park, that's what they call it here. Fridays, Operation Falafel. That's a pretty nice brand name. I like it a lot. They have Levito. Krispy Kreme. Alright. Yeah. I'll just check out some of the places here. The smell here is pretty incredible. They have coffee bars. Alright. Not bad, I would say. the yeah, it's pretty widespread, I guess. Some of the restaurants are pretty good, and I'll try to see how the prices are. So, guys, I mean, the prices here are actually right, literally, I would say not overpriced. It's basically the same you find in public. AAB is greater than Real just by a little bit. You can say they are almost equal, and I guess so. As you can see, the menu has quite a lot of options, and the thing on the menu never looks like the real thing. But I'll just try some of these and tell you how they taste. And yeah, let's just move on. So, guys, if you haven't guessed it yet, we're going to Bangkok, and we almost got pretty late. I'll show you the plane. It's a Boeing 787 Dreamliner, one of the comfiest planes you can have, especially for long haul flights. This is gonna be a comfy experience. I guess it's either a 3-4-3 formation of the seats or 3-3-3. So I'm pretty excited to head in the plane, see how it looks, and yeah, it's one of the beautiful planes in the world. So, and it's pretty modern and sleek, basically like the A350.